Master the digital skills that drive success. In today's fast-paced digital world, productivity is no longer about working longer hours. It's about working smarter. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, professional, freelancer, student, or content creator, developing strong digital skills and adopting efficient workflows can help you accomplish more in less time. Technology has transformed the way we work, communicate, collaborate, and manage information. From artificial intelligence or AI and automation tools to cloud computing and digital collaboration platforms, there are countless ways to streamline repetitive tasks, improve organization, and increase productivity. This guide explores practical productivity techniques, essential digital skills, automation tools, and workflow improvements that can help you become more efficient, reduce stress, and achieve better personal and professional results. What are digital skills? Digital skills are the knowledge and abilities needed to use computers, mobile devices, software, websites, and online tools effectively. They enable individuals and businesses to communicate, create content, analyze information, collaborate remotely, solve problems, and manage digital workflows. As technology continues to evolve, digital skills have become essential across almost every industry. Whether you're writing documents, creating presentations, managing projects, building websites, analyzing data, or using AI tools, strong digital skills improve productivity, career opportunities, and business success. Why productivity matters. Everyone has the same 24 hours each day, but highly productive people accomplish more because they work efficiently rather than simply working harder. Improving productivity helps you complete tasks faster, reduce repetitive work, save valuable time, improve work quality, meet deadlines consistently, reduce stress, improve work-life balance, increase business profitability, make better decisions, and focus on high-value activities. Small improvements in daily habits can lead to significant long-term results. Essential digital skills everyone should learn. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become one of the most valuable productivity tools available today. Applications such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, Claude, and AI image generators help users create content, summarize information, generate ideas, analyze data, automate repetitive work, and improve decision-making. Learning how to write effective AI prompts can dramatically improve the quality of AI-generated responses and save hours of manual work. Digital communication. Effective communication remains one of the most important workplace skills. Develop confidence using email, video conferencing, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, Slack, instant messaging, and online collaboration platforms. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings, improves teamwork, and helps projects run more smoothly. Cloud computing. Cloud-based services allow you to access files from anywhere while collaborating with colleagues in real time. Popular platforms include Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, and SharePoint. Cloud storage improves accessibility, collaboration, and data security. Productivity software. Modern professionals use productivity software every day. Essential tools include Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Notion, Trello,
and Asana.
Learning keyboard shortcuts and advanced features can save hundreds of hours every year. Digital security. Protecting digital information is more important than ever. Whether you're working from home, running a business, or managing personal information, good cybersecurity habits help protect your data, your privacy, and your reputation. Good security practices include using strong, unique passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication or MFA, backing up important files regularly, keeping your software and devices up to date, recognizing phishing emails and online scams, protecting confidential, personal, and business information, avoiding suspicious links and unknown downloads, using secure Wi-Fi networks whenever possible. Good digital security protects both individuals and businesses from unnecessary risks. Workflow improvements that save time. Successful professionals continually improve the way they work. Rather than working harder, they build systems that make work easier, faster, and more efficient. Simple workflow improvements include creating standard operating procedures, also known as SOPs, using templates for frequently repeated tasks, automating repetitive work, organizing digital files into logical folders, reducing unnecessary meetings, scheduling uninterrupted focus time, prioritizing high-impact tasks, batching similar work together, and eliminating distractions. Even small workflow improvements can significantly increase productivity over time. Automation tools that improve productivity. Automation allows technology to perform repetitive tasks automatically. Instead of spending valuable time on routine activities, you can focus on work that creates greater value. Examples of automation include email automation, calendar scheduling, workflow automation, document templates, artificial intelligence assistance, social media scheduling, customer relationship management or CRM systems, marketing automation, cloud synchronization, and automated file backups. Automation reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, improves consistency, and allows you to focus on higher value work. Practical productivity tips. Improve your daily efficiency by following these simple habits. Plan your day before you start work. Prioritize your most important tasks. Break large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Avoid multitasking whenever possible. Use keyboard shortcuts to save time. Keep your digital workspace organized. Turn off unnecessary notifications during focused work. Schedule uninterrupted time for deep work. Review your progress regularly. Continue learning new digital skills. Remember, consistency is often more important than perfection. Small improvements, repeated every day, produce remarkable long-term results. Organizing your digital workspace. An organized digital workspace saves time, reduces frustration, and improves efficiency. Take time to organize your folders, your files, your desktop, your bookmarks, your emails, and your cloud storage. Delete files you no longer need. Archive completed projects. Use clear, descriptive file names. Maintain a consistent folder structure. A clean digital workspace makes it easier to find information, collaborate with others, and stay productive. Time management techniques. Managing your time effectively is one of the most valuable productivity skills you can develop. Consider techniques such as time blocking, the Pomodoro technique, daily task prioritization, weekly planning, and setting realistic deadlines. Avoid spending too much time on low-value activities. Focus your energy on work that creates meaningful results. Working smarter is always more effective than simply working longer hours. Digital collaboration. Modern workplaces rely heavily on collaboration. Digital collaboration tools allow teams to communicate, share files, manage projects, and work together from anywhere in the world. Effective collaboration requires clear communication, shared goals, organized documentation, regular updates, and mutual accountability. Technology makes collaboration easier, but good communication remains essential. How artificial intelligence is changing productivity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the workplace faster than almost any previous technology. Today, AI helps professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses work faster, make better decisions, and improve productivity. AI can help you generate documents, write emails, create presentations, analyze spreadsheets, summarize meetings, produce marketing content, create images, generate computer code, research information, translate languages, brainstorm ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. Rather than replacing people, AI works best as an intelligent assistant. When combined with human creativity, critical thinking, experience, and sound judgment, AI can significantly improve productivity and help you achieve better results. The people who learn how to use AI effectively today will be better prepared for the future of work. Common productivity mistakes. Many people unknowingly reduce their productivity through inefficient habits. Some of the most common productivity mistakes include constantly checking email, multitasking excessively, working without clear priorities, keeping disorganized files, ignoring automation opportunities, using outdated workflows, failing to back up important data, avoiding new technology, spending too much time on low-value tasks, and allowing constant interruptions to break concentration. Recognizing these habits is the first step toward improving efficiency. Small changes can make a significant difference over time. Frequently asked questions: why are digital skills important? Digital skills improve employability, productivity, communication, and career development. They also help individuals and businesses adapt to rapidly changing technology and remain competitive in today's digital economy. Can artificial intelligence improve productivity? Yes. Artificial intelligence can automate repetitive work, assist with writing, research, planning, analysis, and content creation. This allows people to spend more time on strategic thinking, creativity, and decision-making. Do I need technical knowledge? No. Most modern productivity tools are designed for beginners and require little or no programming knowledge. Anyone can begin learning by exploring one tool at a time and practicing regularly. How can I become more productive? Start by planning your work. Learn to use digital tools effectively. Automate repetitive tasks whenever possible. Minimize distractions. Organize your workflow. Continue learning and improving your digital skills. Small, consistent improvements often produce the greatest long-term results. Final thoughts. Productivity isn't about being busy. It's about creating better results with less effort. Developing strong digital skills, embracing automation, and learning how to use artificial intelligence effectively can help you save time, improve efficiency, and remain competitive in today's digital economy. Technology will continue to evolve, but people who commit to continuous learning, practical skill development, and lifelong improvement will be best positioned for long-term success. Start by mastering one new digital skill at a time. Improve your workflow. Build productive habits. Use technology wisely. And continue investing in your personal, professional, and business growth. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and take action. Learn productivity and digital skills with Janice Ong. Janice Ong regularly publishes practical tutorials, step-by-step guides, software reviews, artificial intelligence tutorials, and technology videos designed to help individuals, professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses work smarter and achieve better results. Whether you want to improve productivity, learn artificial intelligence, strengthen your digital marketing, optimize your website, master WordPress, build an online business, or stay updated with the latest technology trends, Janice provides practical, easy-to-follow guidance based on more than 25 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, consulting, and professional training. Every tutorial is designed to help you apply what you learn so you can improve your skills, increase your confidence, and achieve measurable results. Productivity training and consulting services. Looking to improve productivity, implement artificial intelligence, streamline workflows, or develop your team's digital skills? Janice Ong provides practical training, coaching, and consulting services, including artificial intelligence training and workshops, ChatGPT and prompt engineering training, digital productivity training, business process improvement, digital marketing consulting, search engine optimization or SEO, WordPress and Shopify consulting, business strategy and growth consulting, corporate training, one-to-one coaching. Whether you're an individual, entrepreneur, small business, or organization, Janice can help you develop practical solutions that improve efficiency, increase productivity, and support long-term business growth. Why learn with Janice Ong? With more than 25 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, consulting, and professional training, Janice combines real-world business experience with practical teaching to help individuals and organizations develop skills that can be applied immediately. Training focuses on practical implementation rather than theory alone, helping you work more efficiently, save valuable time, improve business performance, increase productivity, adopt artificial intelligence responsibly, and stay competitive in today's rapidly changing digital world. Continue learning. Visit janiceongsg.com to explore more expert articles, practical tutorials, educational resources, and professional training services. You'll also discover guides covering artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, digital marketing, search engine optimization, WordPress, Shopify, business growth, technology, finance, productivity, and many more topics designed to help you work smarter and grow your knowledge. Connect with Janice Ong. If you're looking for personalized guidance, professional training, or business consulting, Janice can help you improve productivity, implement artificial intelligence, strengthen your digital marketing, optimize your website, develop your team's digital skills, and accelerate your business growth. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your business to the next level, Janice provides practical, results-driven solutions tailored to your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like. Share it with your friends, colleagues, and anyone who wants to work smarter. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials covering artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, digital marketing, productivity, business growth, technology, and practical how-to guides. Keep learning, keep improving, keep embracing technology, and continue building the digital skills that will help you succeed in the future of work. Thank you for watching.